Okay, the claim is that most adults would erase all of their personal information online if they could. A software firm of 593 randomly selected adults showed that 60% of them would erase all of their personal information online if they could. Find the value of the test statistic. So again, someone makes a claim, they say most adults, so that's more than half, right? More than 0.5. And so then we go out and take a survey, and we're going to see how likely is this to have occurred by chance. So this first part, actually this particular question is only asking for one part. We're looking for the value of the test statistic. So what you would not want to do, unfortunately, is go to the question help and do an example. I just did that, and it's 10 steps of doing this by hand. I'm going to show you how to use StatCrunch. Okay, so I'm in StatCrunch. I'm going to run a hypothesis test. So go to Stat, and this is a proportion, and we have one sample, and we don't have the raw data. We have summary statistics. So I'm going to go to Summary. Number of successes. Let's first do number of observations. That was 593. And it said 60%. Now it'd be nice if I could put in a percent, but I can't. So you can either use your calculator and put 60% of 593, or I'm going to be lazy and just in here put 0.6 times 593. And we're going to perform a hypothesis test, and let's select this to be greater than 0.5. And just press compute. Okay, so here is our test statistic, this z-stat, 4.87. Now, if it asks for a p-value, you could put it's a less than 0.0001. And notice that our sample proportion here is at 0.6. Now, occasionally there may be some rounding issues going on, but it should be close enough for our answer. So you're going to put 4.87. And I put that in, it looks like we got it. And if you're ever off in a rounding, like if you had 4.86 or something like that, let me know and I can override that. Now, it may be easier on your end if it's a homework problem just to redo it. It doesn't take that long. Most of these computations are pretty quick when done in StatCrunch. Now, I definitely would be with you if you were doing this by hand, or if it were one part of like a 10-part problem, which we have some of those. So if you just miss one little piece, don't do the whole thing again. But if it's just this one and you were off a little bit, you can let me know, and I can change it, or you can just redo it real quick.